wildlife sanctuary kara idalai documentation the paper de lairangani, but we don't have a particular area, dedicated area of wildlife in the state of Manipur. Laibra, laite. Moregi Loksaugi area se wildlife sanctuary ki area ne na chauna record lay on record. That is the area of wildlife, but in reality, there is no wildlife. More the wildlife ki area, the chaukraba 160 subject to correction acres, without consultation and without having prior approval from the state government, state forest department, one village chief has given allotment to the security forces through one SSO of the revenue department. Then a coin is the seminar to we are totally fell in the field. There is no forest. Then where will be the wildlife? Forest like wildlife, right? Forest jungle manung to like wildlife never. The forest to like the wildlife to cry like you know. I don't know. We need a sincere and a commitment efforts towards preserving nature. If nature is there, then automatically wildlife will survive. Forest jungle, pukok na. Ang asay type sana hay gitu. Kati na marukok na to blade na marukok po ifam the coke there kan karay the saji legi da ba. Karay the kai legi da ba. Ekwen angang warning ita we heard about coming or having of elephant from Assam to Manipur. IT road ta Kaubrugi area se da samula ai lapun sai naidam me angang warning ita kwen tai. But now everything has destroyed. You cannot see a big tree in the reserve forest. Who created it? We the officers, we the politicians, we are not sincere enough. And we never try to know the what exactly was or what exactly today. Mamangi, each and every forest officer, those who come from the outside, also should know the background, the history. What the Darbar says, Manipur was a princely kingdom before merging to the India in 1949. Before that, what was the status of the forest in Manipur? Do you know? No, many doesn't know. All the forest was belonged to the Darbar. And that rules and the regulation of the Darbar were fully absorbed and adopted within the 1927 Indian Forest Act. See, my am say Kangdram Nina. A mere DFO is recognizing a village. PCCF is giving recognition to the villages, hill villages, recognition. One SDO is allowing to issue village recognition to the hill areas. What is going on? What is happening today is because of our past mistakes. Soshanpurgi, Khopumgi, village, 31 villages. By a SDC, Sumnigi surveyor village recognition pichu. You see in the Langol, you see in this Domajing Hills, villages were recognized given by the DFO, by SDO, beyond their capacity. Every officer has a right. They have been given the constitutional right as per the constitutional provision. But everyone is violating. Adu hujik loina thiraga leiruraga de khoidi thabak tobu ngamdre. Aduna aikoina sincere oidraga di function na kanaroi, seminar na kanaroi, celebration na kanaroi. Aduna Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji now, why he is choosing ek pair maa ke naam? Why? Mother is mother, you know. Upambi to hingner bani. Upambi do aina aigi ima gi mingda thara kadi ima do tu gibodo ima do tu udo hauga bodo nuaite ima do hingan bedo pambani na ima gi mingda u mam thasiana Honorable Prime Minister yamna khalla kanda maa ke naam ek pair na tor kanda puthore schemes. Maramdi ngasi what is happening in and around the world because of the global warming? Everywhere. Flood, cyclone, landslide, adagi wildfire. Lo pithibi lo re keno. In the Manipur, nanang nahan 33, 34 yaure na. Sabada. Si punamak si aikoi noina lingjen kan bangamoy. Aduna, it is my earnest appeal to all the forest officer concerned to perform their duties as per the Act, Indian Forest Act, as per the provision available in the Constitution. Adu strictly hek adapt togriba, strictly hek implement togringai. Koi ngamoy. After becoming an officer, after becoming an elected member, he is no more belongs to that his community or her community. He is an Indian citizen. He is a Manipur citizen. We should work for the nation. We should work for the state, not for a particular community.